When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like we're making a smart choice. It's one of the biggest purchases most of us ever make. And reliability? That's everything. But here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you that that Toyota might not be the safe bet it's known for? In this video, we're going straight into the real story behind Toyota's recent troubles, backed by actual data and real drivers' experiences. And honestly, some of this might completely flip how you see the brand. From surprise breakdowns to design flaws that could drain your wallet, we're laying it all out. And here's the wild part. Toyota's biggest problem isn't even the RAV4. Stick around, because this isn't just about one SUV, it's about where Toyota is really headed. Toyota built its legacy on being reliable, durable, and long-lasting. For years, the RAV4 has been one of its most popular models, winning over millions of drivers around the world. Known for saving on gas, being super practical, and holding its value, the RAV4 has stayed near the top of best-selling compact SUVs globally. But now something's clearly changing. Toyota's CEO recently issued a public apology, and that's not something you see often. As more frustrated owners speak out, Toyota's once untouchable reputation is starting to crack. From failing transmissions to corroding hybrid parts, the RAV4's issues are making people question Toyota's quality. And it's not just talk. The whole situation is shaking the company from within. If Toyota doesn't step up fast, it could damage more than just the RAV4's name. It could hit the whole brand. And the worst part, this isn't just about what people think. It's about what's really going wrong under the hood. Toyota has been at the top of reliability rankings for years. A lot of their cars have always scored high in big industry surveys. But the most recent numbers, they tell a totally different story. In the latest J.D. Power reliability survey, the Toyota RAV4 took a huge hit, dropping from 11th place to a shocking 30th in just 1 year. That kind of fall is unheard of for a Toyota, and it's more than just a number. It's a major red flag. When you dig into what actual owners are saying, a clear pattern shows up. More and more drivers are running into serious problems within the first few years of owning their RAV4. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has been flooded with reports, transmissions failing, electrical systems glitching, and hybrid systems breaking down. Owners are getting fed up, and trust in Toyota is disappearing fast. These numbers don't lie. Toyota's title as the go-to for reliability is on the line. If they don't take real action and fix this now, they're going to lose a huge chunk of their loyal fans. And if you think those reliability scores are bad, just wait till you hear what's breaking first in the RAV4. Toyota has been a leader in hybrid tech for years, with the Prius and RAV4 hybrids showing off the brand's focus on fuel efficiency and eco-friendly driving. But now, that hybrid system in the latest RAV4’s is turning into a total nightmare for some owners. One of the biggest issues, corroding high-voltage cables. These cables are key. They send power to the rear wheels. But when they start to rust, the whole hybrid system starts failing. The problem seems to come from a badly placed connector. It's out in the open, getting hit by dirt, moisture, and grime from the road. Over time, that exposure causes major corrosion, breakdowns, and expensive repairs. Toyota tried to fix it with a new part, but many owners say the redesigned version still doesn't stop the rust and buildup, and it gets worse. In cold climates, some RAV4 hybrids completely shut down. Owners in winter-heavy areas are finding themselves stranded when their cars refuse to start in freezing temps. On top of that, Toyota's warranty coverage is super limited. If your car is older than 3 years or has more than 37,000 miles, you're probably out of luck, and paying over $4,000 out of your own pocket to fix it. No wonder people are starting to doubt if Toyota's hybrid tech is really as reliable as they claim. And the problems don't stop there. Next up, transmissions that are making RAV4 drivers rage. A smooth transmission is one of the most important parts of any car. It affects how the car accelerates, how fuel efficient it is, basically how it drives overall. And for years, Toyota was known for having some of the most reliable transmissions out there. But with the new RAV4 models, that's no longer the case. Owners are complaining about grinding noises, delayed shifting, and sudden jerks while driving. Some say the CVT, continuously variable transmission, feels more like a jet engine than a car. Even the 8-speed automatic transmission in the regular gas RAV4’s is having problems. As the miles add up, the car starts shifting rough, and acceleration lags more and more. What makes this worse? Many Toyota dealerships aren't offering clear fixes. Some are blaming owners, saying it's their fault for not maintaining the car right. But let's be real, tons of reports are showing this is a widespread mechanical defect, not bad maintenance. And if you think a repair will solve it, replacing the transmission can cost up to $5,000. With repairs that pricey, many RAV4 owners are starting to ask, is this car even worth it anymore? And if that's not bad enough, even Toyota's safety systems are starting to fail. Toyota has always been seen as a safe brand, with drivers trusting their cars to keep them protected on the road. But new reports about the RAV4's safety systems are making people think twice. There are issues with airbags not working and brakes not responding right, which is seriously scary. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration found a big problem with how airbags deploy in the RAV4. In some crashes, the airbags don't go off at all, leaving people unprotected. The cause? A bad seat sensor that sometimes can't tell if someone's sitting there. So either the airbags don't deploy when they should, or worse, they go off by mistake. Both are dangerous. Then there are the brake problems. Some RAV4 owners say there's a delay when they press the brake, which makes emergency stops terrifying. Others say the brakes feel inconsistent and hard to trust. And in some of the worst cases, the brakes have failed completely, causing close calls and even crashes. Toyota used to be known for its strong safety tech, but now it's becoming a source of frustration. And that's not all. The electrical system in these cars is causing even more problems. Electrical problems are some of the most annoying and random issues a car can have, and RAV4 owners are seeing more and more of them. Important electronic parts are just failing out of nowhere, leaving drivers stranded or dealing with cars acting completely weird. One of the most common issues? The dashboard lights flicker or turn off completely. For some, it's just annoying, but for others, it points to bigger problems in the car's wiring. Things like the radio stops working, the AC goes out, and even the door locks stop working properly. Some owners can't even lock or unlock their cars, which is a major security risk. But here's the strangest part. Toyota used soy-based insulation on their wiring to be more eco-friendly. The problem? Rodents love it. Tons of Toyota owners have found that mice or squirrels have chewed through the wires, causing thousands in damage. And Toyota? They haven't really come up with a fix, so most people have to pay for repairs themselves. Even worse, some RAV4’s are completely shutting off while being driven. Owners report losing power on the highway, screens going black, engines stalling out. When that happens, drivers lose steering and brakes, which turns a normal trip into a dangerous situation. This kind of electrical failure isn't just frustrating, it's life-threatening. And now, people are starting to question Toyota's design choices and whether their quality control is up to standard anymore. But it's not just the media calling them out, Toyota's own customers are loudly pushing back. As more RAV4 owners deal with the same problems over and over again, the frustration is blowing up. Forums, social media, and review sites are packed with angry posts from drivers who used to trust Toyota, and now they're fed up. But it's not just the defects, it's how Toyota is handling it. Lots of RAV4 owners are waiting weeks for repairs, and some dealers even deny the problems exist. Warranty claims are getting denied constantly, which means people are paying out of pocket for issues that should have been Toyota's responsibility. Service centers are also blaming the owners, saying it's all about bad maintenance, even though there's tons of proof that these are factory defects. To make it worse, Toyota's communication is a mess. Some owners get recall notices, while others with the exact same problems are told their cars don't qualify. This has led many to lose trust completely in the brand. Faced with huge repair bills and no support, some drivers are just done with Toyota. Trade-in values for these RAV4’s are dropping since dealers know they'll probably need costly repairs. Longtime Toyota fans are switching to Honda, Subaru, and Mazda, who are now gaining buyers looking for something more reliable. The RAV4 might be getting all the attention right now, but it's not the only Toyota with big problems. Similar complaints are coming from people who drive the Corolla, Camry, Highlander, and even the Tacoma. This is starting to look like a company-wide issue, not just one bad model. The Corolla and Camry, which have always been known as reliable sedans, are now dealing with serious transmission problems. Drivers are talking about rough gear shifts, slow responses, and even full-on transmission failures. Then there's the Highlander Hybrid, another car that's supposed to be a green, efficient option, but it's showing the same electrical issues as the RAV4 Hybrid. And let's not forget the Toyota Tacoma, a favorite for truck fans. But even it's showing transmission problems, weak brakes, and electrical faults. More and more buyers are turning to Subaru Forester, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. And each one offers something Toyota can't right now. Unlike the RAV4, the CR-V's hybrid system doesn't have problems with corroding cables or electrical breakdowns. That reliability edge is making Honda look like a safer bet. Where Toyota's seen as practical but boring, Mazda gives you style and performance without the luxury price tag. For years, Toyota ruled the SUV world, but now the cracks are showing. With other brands raising the bar in quality, value, and reliability, Toyota is facing real pressure from all directions. First off, warranty claims and recalls are stacking up. The endless issues with the RAV4's hybrid system, electrical failures, and transmissions are causing more and more owners to file warranty claims. Then, there's the loss of customers. More buyers are switching to Subaru, Honda, and Mazda, which means Toyota is losing long-term money. It doesn't stop there. Lawsuits are starting to pile up too. People are taking legal action over faulty hybrids, safety issues, and even false claims about reliability. Some financial experts are already warning that Toyota's recent problems could have serious long-term effects. Sure, they're still a huge company, but if they don't fix these issues fast, they'll keep losing ground to competitors who are ready to take over. Toyota also rolled out extended warranties for specific problems. But here's the catch. They only apply to certain models and for limited mileage. Unlike other brands, Toyota has been slow to go all in on battery electric vehicles, EVs. Instead, they've doubled down on hybrids and hydrogen fuel cells, thinking a mix of tech is the smartest long-term play. Tesla has shown that EVs can be both cool and profitable, topping sales charts across the globe. Meanwhile, Hyundai and Ford are moving fast too, rolling out new EV models like the Ioniq 5 and Mustang Mach-E. The big question, can Toyota catch up before it's too late? Or is this the moment where they finally lose their edge? If you're into cars, gear, and the real stories behind the brands, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Gearhead Glam, where we break down the truth about the machines we love. Drop a comment below. Would you still buy a Toyota? Let's talk about it.